The PAPI 6.6 amp control box is equipped with dip switches that allow the user to activate specific features and operating modes within the PAPI system. Switch number 1 allows you to select the operating mode of the PAPI LED. Set it to IR for infrared, activating NVG mode or visual for standard operation. If your LED PAPI is not equipped with an NVG LED module, ensure the switch is set to visual mode. Otherwise, when switching to IR, the control box will display an error. Switch number 2 allows you to activate or deactivate the tilt sensor. Set it to Tilt Active to enable tilt monitoring, or Tilt Bypass to deactivate the sensor. If your LED PAPI is not equipped with a tilt sensor, the tilt switch should remain at tilt bypass mode. Switch number 3 allows you to control the lens heater. Set it to Heater Disable to turn off the heater or Enable to activate front glass heating. If your LED PAPI is not equipped with a lens heater module, the heat control switch should remain disabled. Each dip switch has 2 positions, on and off, indicated by the icons shown on the panel. The white area on the switch shows its current position. For example, the visual IR switch is currently in the on position, as confirmed by the green LED indicator. Switching it to the off position will turn the LED off.